Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Lolo Tony. We miss you so much.
Papa, happy birthday po. Thank you po for everything. And wishing you po good health for always.
Ingat po lagi kayo ng mama dyan. Sana po lagi po kayong lagi niyo pong alagaan po yung health niyo, and lagi lang po kayo maging masaya, maging sweet as kasama po yung mama. Happy birthday po ulit, and to mama po and to both of you po, happy anniversary
po.
And sana po is magtagal po kayo ng sobrang tagal, and stay happy po. We love you po and we miss you so much. Sana po magkita-kita po ulit tayo ulit.
Soon!
And yeah.
We're coming to the Philippines soon!
See you soon po.
See you
Love
soon
po.
po.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Bye.
Aini!
Hi, Pa. Happy birthday. Hi, Ma and Pa. Happy anniversary. Alam niyo naman na kahit na wala kami sa tabi nyo, you'll always be in our heart. Even though we're far, we always thinking about you, to be there with you. Nung maliliit pa kami, we're always thinking na why they're always working, na kung bakit trabaho sila ng trabaho. Now that we're parents, naintindihan na namin, hindi namin naranasan na maghirap, because typically nabigay nila sa amin lahat. They provide us everything we needed. So we're just so proud of them na they are my parents. Just like what I'm always saying, na they're like angels that have been brought to earth. Because si Mama at saka si Papa, they always want to help others. So we're just happy to be a part of it. Alam niyo naman, kahit na malayo kami sa inyo, hindi nawawala yung pagmamahal. And ngayon ko nare-realize that family ang pinaka-importante. You teach us how to be a good person and how to love. Kaya we're so happy that you have all the support there. At salamat po sa lahat na nagpunta today, that you've been a part of this celebration. Alam ko po na kahit malayo kami, sila na yung naging pamilya nyo. So maraming salamat po for coming. And thank you so much for everything, Ma and Pa. I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lolo. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah! Happy birthday, Lolo!
Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy anniversary, Lolo and Lola.
Even though you're not there, we miss you and we
We love
love
you.
you.